Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. How are you guys? My name is Mahmoud. I'm Arabic language tutor. I teach Quran and Arabic to non-native speakers. So if you'd like to have a lesson online with me, you can email me here at ustazmahmoud184@gmail.com. Today inshallah we're going to learn how to say in Arabic language no longer. How to say no longer in Arabic language. And before we start this lesson guys, please don't forget to make like for this video and subscribe for the channel. And if you could share this video with your friends, I will be really grateful. Thank you. Let's see our example today. He no longer lives here. He no longer lives here. How to say this sentence in Arabic language? Well, we say لم يعد يسكن هنا. لم يعد يسكن هنا. لم يعد, he no longer. Okay, يسكن lives, and هنا here. He no longer lives here. لم يعد يسكن هنا. So no longer means لم يعد. Okay, plus فعل مضارع. You add فعل مضارع after it, and you can add noun also. لم يعد and plus فعل مضارع. But لم يعد is not always لم يعد. It depends on the pronoun. I'm sorry. It depends on the pronoun. I or he or she or they. We see now. I no longer work in the factory. I no longer work in the factory. We say لم أعد. لم أعد because I لم أعد work in the factory. أعمل في المصنع. لم أعد أعمل في المصنع. I no longer. لم أعد I أنا لم أعد أعمل في المصنع. Okay, مصنع means the factory. Okay, he no longer studies with me. He no longer studies with me. So he لم يعد. لم يعد. Okay, he no longer. Okay, studies with me. يدرس معي. لم يعد يدرس studies معي with me. لم يعد يدرس معي. Okay, she no longer needs my help. She no longer needs my help. So she no longer. لم تعد هي because she. لم تعد هي. She no longer needs my help. تحتاج إلى مساعدتي. She no longer needs my help. لم تعد تحتاج إلى مساعدتي. Okay, they are no longer kids. They are no longer kids. Here لم يعودوا. لم يعودوا. They are no longer kids. أطفالا. لم يعودوا أطفالا. They are no longer kids. لم يعودوا أطفالا. Okay, so no longer لم يعد, and it changes depending on the pronoun. Okay, I hope this lesson is useful for you guys. If you have comments, if you have any question, please write in the comments and I will reply you. Thank you, and I see you in other videos inshallah. Don't forget to make dua for me and for my family. Thank you, and assalamu alaikum.